or they marry. They talk. Africa said now waka get me. Oh, bye everyone. Thank you, Africa. Thank you. I appreciate. Thank you, Africa. Bye too. Thank you. I appreciate you. I love you. Thank you. Thank you for staying this long with me. Thank you, guys. Don't forget, join Africa later in the evening. Okay, later in the evening, but I don't know the specific time. But I know he always do LS in the evening, but I don't know the specific time. Okay. Thank you for joining. Thank you for staying this long with me. Africa said we go see later. Okay, we'll see later. Okay. Let's say Nancy, I just give you two. Okay. I just give you two. Oh wow, we have the future Sandbeat. What is wrong with age? Her sister. Future Sandbeat, you are highly welcome. Thank you for joining. I appreciate your coming. Longest time, future Sandbeat, have you thumbs up for me? You are welcome. You are welcome. Okay. Thank you for coming. Future Sandbeat, the age matter is my birthday. My birthday is on Sunday 22. So everybody wants to know my age. So they are guessing my age. Okay, I said I'm 22 years. I'm 22 years, okay? That's the age. That's the age we are talking about, okay? Nancy said... Nancy said, Africa, pretty shower is on the way. Okay, don't worry, grab him. If you go to his LS, tell Africa you met him in my LS and you give him so number. Don't lie. He will return to you, okay? And so you don't lie, Africa will return to you, okay? Blessing said, Nancy, I gave you the name. Nora. God day. Only love. Okay. Nancy, go and check. Blessing gave you with those names, okay? Sandy said, thank you. Esther said, please, guys, join me on my LS tomorrow by 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, guys, it's like today is join me, but no problem, okay? Guys, please, if you don't have Esther, okay, just grab her, put on her bed, okay, and join her on her LS tomorrow, 10 a.m. in the morning, okay? 10 a.m. in the morning, just join her, support her. Let's be our brother's keeper. Let's grow together, okay? Put on the bed. Make sure the bed is on. In case she's on LS, you'll be notified, okay? Just join Esther tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. Then you join Fadid 9:30 p.m. today, this evening. Every evening, Fadid need to be doing LS 9:30 p.m. Okay, tomorrow morning is Esther's own. Then who again? Who wrote somebody still Blessed Miss Uyi, yeah. Party said 2:30 tomorrow. Tomorrow 2:30 in the afternoon, Party will be doing LS, okay? Wow. Blessing said bye everyone. Okay, Blessing, bye. Thank you for joining. For Sandbeat said we have the same one. Yes, I told you on Fadid as I told you I'm November 22nd. Okay, you are 27. My daughter is 10. I'm 22nd. My brother is 7th. We are November family. Okay. The future say Fadid, I miss you silent. Hey, fine say I'm off. Prime and I would love you to. Okay, fine. Okay. The future said Esther Angel. Okay, oh guys, let's join Esther Angel tomorrow. Okay. Let's join Esther Angel tomorrow. Let's join Esther tomorrow, okay? Okay, guys, just a minute. Keep grinding, okay? Just a minute. Is my okay? So just a minute, guys. Keep grinding. Check who you don't have and grab them. I'm coming. Okay.